Well, today is Meatloaf Day. I've been feeling a little bit under the weather for a couple of weeks now, and I'm just wanting some comfort food. I have made meatloaf all of my adult life. I've changed up my recipe several times with various ingredients, usually just what I have on hand. And it's always been good. It always pairs well with creamed potatoes and gravy and makes a mean meatloaf sandwich the next day. But for the last couple of years, I've been preparing it a little bit different. Now, do you have a favorite part of the meatloaf? I do. It's the topping. And I always wish the entire meatloaf could taste like that 1 inch of the top of the meatloaf. So, I picked my favorite meatloaf recipe and started baking it only about 1 inch thick. And oh boy, is that the ticket for us. Let me show you how I make what I call my all-top or all-topping meatloaf. I just grabbed one of my large mixing bowls and I put, I think it was 1.5 pounds of ground beef and 1/2 pound of ground pork. You can use all beef, any combination you would like. Then I had 4 slices of light bread that I had soaked in milk. I add that to my mixture and 2 eggs. Now this light bread and eggs will keep my meatloaf moist. In goes a little pepper, probably a little salt, some Italian seasoning. And I'll either put the recipe on my website or in the description of this video. You see I added 2 packets of Lipton onion soup mix and then some garlic powder, smoked paprika, Ritz crackers, a little ketchup. I told you I'd been feeling under the weather. Did you hear that sneeze? Now I want to make sure all this is combined well, mixed well. And you really just have to get your hands in there and use your fingers to just get it all put together. Parmesan cheese. I went ahead and sprayed my casserole dish with some butter to help with the cleanup. Now I'm going to pat my mixture only to about 1 inch thick in this casserole dish. I have more mixture than will bake in this one dish, but I'll just package it up and cook it later. There's another one. Always remember, sneeze into your elbow. Okay, now I'm going to mix up my topping. And I like my topping kind of sweet and a little bit spicy. Just a little bit. I can't take much spice. But I put my ketchup in my measuring cup. I don't know, maybe a cup of it, and then about 1/2 cup of brown sugar will go in, a splash of Worcestershire sauce, and like I say, you seen me put a healthy squirt of that spicy ketchup in there as well. I don't like it hot. oven we go. I think I cooked it at 350. Oh, I probably started checking at about 30 minutes. And look at that. No more than an inch thick. The ratio of topping and meatloaf is delicious. So if you're one that likes a taste of the topping in every bite of your meatloaf, give this recipe a try. Let me know how you like it or what you would do differently. If you give this recipe a try, I hope you enjoy it, and I will talk to y'all later.